All right, this is a little effect with the ace, the 2, the 3, and the 4 of clubs. Now, of these 4 cards, which do you think is the hardest to work with? It's the 4. And the reason the 4 is the hardest to work with is it has the most ink on it, you see. The rest of them are relatively easy. If you give the packet a twist like that, you'll see that the ace magically turns itself face up. If you give it another little twist, you'll see that the ace turns itself face down and the 2 turns itself over. Next in line is the 3. We give it another little twist like that, and you'll see that the 3 magically turns itself over. And that leaves 1 card left unturned. And that, of course, is the 4. Now, as I say, the 4 is a little harder to work with. Watch it very closely. We're going to give it a twist, and then another twist, and you'll see now that the 4 has magically turned itself over. But it takes so much energy to turn that 4 over that it gets a little red in the face. And that is the twisting ace through 4 of clubs.